Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to send and manage all invoices on Payoneer. So a recent feature in Payoneer's where you can send and manage invoices. So once you log into your account, just go to the get page option and click on send and manage invoices. A page similar to this would appear, and all you have to do is click on send an invoice, where you would be brought to a page where you have to fill in your tax ID, create your logo. You can also, once you are done, obviously I have to fill this, but you just have to follow the prompts and then describe in the details section. You have to describe what you have done and the invoice data, and you get a preview of how the invoice should look like, and then you submit it to the person you want to submit the invoice to. So this is how to send and manage your invoices on Payoneer. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.